Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see Indian map related important questions. First one is, which is the southmost point of India? Answer is Indira Point. Next one, Indira Point is located in which island group? That is Andaman and Nicobar. Next one, which Indian state shares the longest international boundary? Important one, Rajasthan. Next question, which state is located in the westernmost part of India? That is Gujarat. Next one, which is the easternmost state of India? That is Arunachal Pradesh. Next question, Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of India. The question is its latitude, that is 23 1/2 north. Next question, very important, which state does the Tropic of Cancer pass through? Answer is Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Next one, which Indian state does not share a boundary with Bangladesh? That is Odisha. Remaining Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura share boundary with Bangladesh. Next one, which river form a major part of boundary between India and Pakistan? That is sea, Indus. Next one, which plateau lies between Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat? Answer is Deccan Plateau. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Very important one, that is Gujarat. Next one, which state is located on the bank of the Ganga river? Important one, that is Kolkata. Next one, which neighboring country lies to the north of the India? Important one, that is China, not to India. Which Indian state is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides? Important one, that is your answer is B, that is Tripura. Next, which union territory lies in the Arabian Sea? Important one, that is Lakshadweep. Next, which Indian state does not share a boundary with Myanmar? That is Assam. Remaining Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland share boundary with the Myanmar. Next, which river flows through the Rift Valley? Very important to know, between the Vindhya and Saptpur range, that is Narmada. Next, which state is known as the Gateway of Northeast? Important to know, Assam. Next, which Indian city is located to Tropic of Cancer? Important one, that is Ahmedabad. Next, which state lies to the south of Kerala? Important to know, that is no state to south of Kerala. Next, which Indian state share its boundary with maximum number of states? Very important one, that is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Next one, which is the smallest state of India? That is area wise. Important to know, that is Goa, according to area wise. Next one, which mountain range separates India from China? That is C, that is Himalayas. Next one, which river originates from the Gangotri glaciers? That is Ganga. Next question, which state has no coastline? Very important to know, that is Madhya Pradesh. Next one, which neighboring country is separated from India by the Pak of Strait? Very important to know, that is your Sri Lanka. Next one, which Indian state is famous for the Sundarban Delta? Very important to know, that is West Bengal. Next one, which plateau is rich in minerals in India? That is Chota Nagpur plateau. Next one, which is the highest peak in India? That is Kanchenjunga. See last question, which state lies between Gujarat and Maharashtra? That is Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Okay friends, if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, share with your friends. Thank you.